When it comes to expanding manufacturing and office space for your growing business, we invite you to come and see the latest Sprung building technology that allows you to add capacity much faster than conventional construction. This state-of-the-art tension membrane building technology can be built in weeks, not months, meeting your timelines and business goals. At Sprung, we pride ourselves in manufacturing high-quality tension membrane structures right here in the United States. Because our product is manufactured in-house and our inventory is readily available, we are able to provide rapid delivery timelines for our customers across the country and around the world. At our Salt Lake City campus, we have built a world-class manufacturing facility complete with open dining and cafeteria space, bright and open office areas, and a stunning workspace mezzanine overlooking the entrance. The office area also features 2 large meeting rooms, a break room, and private offices. Our newly expanded manufacturing facility with beautiful daylight panels and custom Sprung lighting for a bright and open work environment allows us to run a full-scale manufacturing operation without sacrificing our employees' health and safety. Our tension membrane structures are developed from our patented advanced building technology. Through decades of research and development, Sprung provides the most durable, long-lasting architectural membrane available on the market. Our corrosion-resistant aluminum substructure is engineered to ensure a high-performing, long-lasting structure. Our brand new, highly advanced robotic equipment allows us to ensure superior quality control for maximum performance. We have also included cutting-edge CNC machines capable of creating customized 50-foot-long aluminum beams. With the ability to capitalize on the technological advances in the manufacturing sector, we have been able to dramatically increase our output, which has allowed us to deliver our product to customers around the world in a timeline that is unmatched in the construction industry. If you are looking for a manufacturing solution for your next project, contact us today or book a tour at our newly expanded headquarters and experience our stunning facility and leading-edge technology in action firsthand.